everyone. Let's make a very simple, instant and tasty pudding today. And the ingredients I'll be using for this pudding are from the K Store. The K Store is a complete department store which is located in Dharapuram, Tirupur. You can see the nice packaging of the dry fruits which I'm going to use for the pudding. This store has a complete range of groceries, kitchen utility items, A2 cow's milk, dairy products, cutlery, crockery, toys and stationery. And they have a separate shelf for organic products also. The lead innovation and partner of the store is Mrs. Sheetal Gandhi. Do visit the store, the K Store, every kitchen's choice. So let's start with the pudding. These are the ingredients we'll be using for our pudding today. So as I told you, the ingredients are from K Store. For the pudding we need three major ingredients which are biscuits, cream and condensed milk. So the proportion is 1 cup of cream, some Marie biscuits and 1/4 cup of condensed milk, some milk and some dry fruits. So let's get started. We need to whip 1 cup of cream for the pudding. So whip the cream nicely. You can do this with an electric beater or you can whisk it also. So after you whip the cream, add some condensed milk, 1/4 cup of condensed milk, and this can be according to your taste. So if you like it sweeter, you can add more. If you like it less sweet, you can add less. That is according to your taste. I'm using Nestle Milkmaid here and Amul fresh cream. Whip it once again with the condensed milk. Now the mixture of cream and condensed milk is ready. Keep it aside. Now to assemble the pudding, we take a dish. We take some Marie biscuit, Britannia Marie Gold. We dip the Marie biscuit in milk, which is at room temperature. And one by one, we start assembling the biscuits inside the dish. Just dip the biscuits and take it out, otherwise it will go soggy. Do not keep it in the milk for very long. Start layering the biscuits inside the dish. So you can see I have made a layer of Marie biscuits inside the dish. Now we are going to pour this mixture over the biscuits. We'll pour half of the mixture. So we pour half of the mixture over the biscuits along with some dry fruits, some pista and almonds, which I have chopped finely. So we add some pista and almonds. And now some more biscuits on top. Marie biscuits dipped in milk. A few more biscuits over the top. And then the rest of the mixture. So the rest of the mixture goes inside. We can add some more nuts on top. This is a very rich and tasty dessert. Very quick to make, very simple. Everyone in your family will love it. You can add your choice of dry fruits. And our pudding is ready. You can see how lovely it looks. Our tasty biscuit pudding is ready with just a few ingredients: Marie biscuits, condensed milk, cream and dry fruits. So you can keep it in the fridge and enjoy your pudding. Wow, this sure looks yummy. Thank you everyone for watching, and I would highly recommend products from the K Store. Please do visit. Thank you.